How alpha particles are produced. Alpha particles are primarily produced through a process known as alpha decay, which is a type of radioactive decay occurring in certain unstable, heavy atomic nuclei. Alpha decay process. In alpha decay, an unstable nucleus emits an alpha particle, which consists of two protons and two neutrons bound together, identical to the nucleus of a helium-4 atom, but without its electrons. This emission reduces the original atom's mass number by 4 and its atomic number by 2, transforming it into a new element, the daughter nucleus. Alpha decay typically occurs in heavy elements such as uranium, thorium, radium, and actinium, as well as some transuranic elements. Mechanism. The production of alpha particles is driven by the balance between the electromagnetic repulsion from the positively charged protons and the strong nuclear force holding the nucleus together. Although, classically, the alpha particle does not have enough energy to escape the nucleus, quantum tunneling allows it to leak through the nuclear barrier and be emitted as radiation. Other methods of production alpha particles can also be produced artificially by nuclear reactions, such as bombarding certain atoms, e.g., boron-10, with neutrons, which can induce the emission of an alpha particle as the atom seeks a more stable state. In nuclear research, alpha particles may be generated by stripping both electrons from helium atoms, creating helium nuclei, alpha particles, for use as projectiles in experiments. Key characteristics. Alpha particles are highly ionizing but have low penetration power, being stopped by a few centimeters of air or a sheet of paper. Once stopped, they can capture electrons and become neutral helium atoms. In summary, alpha particles are most commonly produced by the alpha decay of heavy, unstable nuclei, but can also be generated through specific nuclear reactions or by ionizing helium atoms in a laboratory setting. Main sources of alpha particles. Natural sources. Radioactive decay of heavy elements. The primary natural sources of alpha particles are the decay of heavy, unstable isotopes such as uranium-238, thorium-232, and radium-226. These elements are found in the Earth's crust and emit alpha particles as they transform into more stable forms. 1. Radon gas. Radon-222, a decay product of uranium, is a significant natural source. It is released from soil and rocks, can accumulate in buildings, and emits alpha particles as it decays. 2. Cosmic rays. High-energy helium nuclei, essentially alpha particles, make up about 10 to 12% of cosmic rays, although these are much more energetic than those from radioactive decay. Artificial, human-made sources. 1. Radioisotopes in industry and medicine,